So we are here in Nyamira County at the CDF Hall to listen to the people of Nyamira County on the public participation bill. The public participation bill is a bill that has been co-sponsored by Hon.Otiende Konga and myself. We are going around the country as the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, and we have divided ourselves into 3 groups to cover the entire country. This group, in which I am part of, started in Nakuru yesterday morning. We were in Kericho in the afternoon. We are here in Nyamira this morning. We'll be going to Kisii. Then we will go to Kisumu, Vihiga, Kakamega, Busia, and Uasin Gishu counties. The purpose is to first let the public know that there's a public participation bill that exists. There has been a complaint over a long time that there's no public participation law. So we need to address that concern. But more importantly, we want to be sure that the public participation bill reflects the wishes of the people. We want to be sure that public participation is meaningful and it's accessible by even people with disability and even by people who may not be able to speak English or Swahili. So that is the purpose of this exercise. And so this morning we've had a very good engagement with the people of Nyamira County. They have given their views as we continue to receive views. Those views will be captured in a report that we will also share widely, both electronically and in print. And the views will also instruct the changes that we may make to improve the bill. Our constitution requires that nothing should be done by any authority without public participation, be it national government, be it county government, be it any authority. And so this bill captures that essence. The whole idea revolves around one question: how can we do meaningful public participation? And that is the question we are asking the public to help us answer. That question, in some places, people have raised issues that they want to be paid when they come for public participation. And we are trying to tell them that is exactly what we want to defeat. Because when you start paying people to come for public participation, then their views might be skewed. People might even bring goons, and it will then not be meaningful. But we are very happy with the people of Nyamira because they have meaningfully participated today, and they've given us their views, some in English, some in Swahili, some even in Kikisi, and then it was translated. And we want to thank you. We also want to thank you, the media, for highlighting and attending this public participation, because without you, people might not even get to know about the bill or the views that the people are giving. Thank you very much. We should not have strict timelines because first we want to ensure that this public participation is meaningful. Then we will sit and compare notes with the various teams where they had gone. We will collect that report, and then we will now sit and see how to adjust the bill itself. While the timeline is not strict, the need for a public participation law cannot be gainsaid. Even the courts have urged us as Parliament to fast track. And I think even the President made a promise, and our Speaker made a promise, that we will have a law on public participation before the end of this year. We are targeting to make sure that all these processes, by around June, we should have finished everything, and we should be having a new law on public participation.
Wakili, lastly,
I was here the last 2 occasions. The last time I was here in Nyamira, I came when I was the Ombudsman, and we came to collect views on on the access to information bill then. I can assure the people of Nyamira that the views they rendered to us, we took seriously, and we went and amended the law, which is now the access to information law. Before that, I was last year in the year 2009 when we were writing the Constitution, and we received views of the people of Nyamira, we received views of the people of Kisii and elsewhere. If you look at the Constitution, you will agree with me that it is people-friendly, and it is because of the views we got from the people. As the co-sponsor of this bill, I want to assure the people of Nyamira that we will take their views seriously as we take the views of other Kenyans, and we will improve the bill as indicated in the public participation exercise. Thank you very much.
Na hayo maoni mmetoa
maanani, na tukimaliza hizi vikao tutatoa ripoti, na hiyo kopi ya ripoti tutapatia Mheshimiwa Mogaka kopi, ili yeyote anataka kuangalia kama hizo maoni yenu tumeyatilia maanani, utaona kwenye hiyo ripoti, na pia utaona ni jinsi gani tumebadilisha hii bill kulingana na maoni. Hiyo ni ya kwanza. Ya pili, hebu tunyamaze hapo tafadhali, hebu tunyamaze hapo. Ya pili ni kwamba wale ambao hawakupata nafasi ya kutoa maoni, tuko na hizi forms, utajaza utupatie, lakini sio mwisho wa maoni. Kama haujapata hiyo form ama unataka uende uangalie hiyo bill vizuri, bado unaweza kutuma maoni. Unaweza kutuma maoni kwa email. Email unatuma CNA, kama unataka kuandika ni cna@parliament.go.ke, cna@parliament.go.ke. La mwisho, nimesikia mkiambia Mogaka kitu hapo. Mlisema Mogaka nini? Mogaka nini? Sasa kwa sababu nyinyi ndio umesema, na unajua sasa hapa ni kwa Mogaka, ingawa bunge haikupatia kitu ya kuwapatia, lakini bunge haizuii Mogaka kuwapatia kitu. Na Mogaka amesema ataona vile mtaendelea. Kwa hivyo I want to thank the DCC, I want to thank the county. Asanteni sana wenyeji wa West Mogirango, wenyeji wa Nyamira. Kikao hiki ni kuwasikiza nyinyi, lakini kwanza asante sana Bwana Mogaka. Wakili Mogaka ni wakili shupavu kwenye hii kamati yetu ya Justice and Legal Affairs, na sio tu ati tuko naye kwa hiyo kamiti, pia tunacheza naye kandanda ya bunge. Bunge FC. Mmewahi kusikia bunge FC? Sasa mimi ni captain, mimi nacheza pale namba 5 na yeye anacheza pale namba 2, na tunachapa hiyo bunge vizuri. So ladies and gentlemen, we have about 2 hours ya kuwasikiza na mko wengi. Wewe unataka tukubaliane kwamba ukipata chance tumia tu dakika moja utoe maoni, ndiposa upatie mwenzako pia atoe maoni yake. Tumekubaliana? Tunataka kuwasikiza as many of you as possible. Now this sitting we have just about 2 hours. We will stop at 12:30. La pili ni kwamba do not be shy. Toa maoni, kwa sababu hii ni kikao ya bunge. Kikao ya bunge hakuna mtu atakufuata ulisema hivi, ulisema vile. Hapana, uko na ile inaitwa privilege. Toa maoni yako bila kuogopa hata kidogo. Lakini kuanzisha, tutaita wakili wetu wa bunge awaeleze kwa ufupi kuhusu hii bill. Akishawaelezea, kwa sababu I am one of the sponsors of the bill, I will not chair that session. I want to give the privilege to your MP, Mheshimiwa Mogaka. He is the one who will chair that session ya kutoa maoni. Na hivyo basi, ingawa lugha ya bunge inakuanga Kiswahili ama Kiingereza, labda kuna mtu ambaye anaweza tu kujieleza kwa lugha ya mama, si ndio? Na hiyo Mogaka ndiye atasikia, atatuambia amesemaje, si ndio? Kwa hiyo let me now invite our advocate to briefly take you through the bill, alafu tuanze